3, 2, 1. Welcome back to the kitchen and a day that I'm very excited to share with you. Like I said when we made sauce in the last episode, butter chicken is very much a comfort food, something that I've come to really enjoy. 3, 2, 1. Cooper, now time to play with your tail. Thank you, buddy. Welcome back to the kitchen and an episode I'm very excited to share with you. Like I said with the last video when we made butter sauce, butter chicken, butter paneer, two dishes that it's very comforting to me. The warm spices, the rich sauce, just everything goes together really well. And when I first had it in Richmond, it was something that I had to learn how to make. That's what I told myself. I got to figure out how to make this. And this recipe from the late chef Floyd Cardoz is, I think, just absolutely spot on, and it's wonderful. Before we get into it, just a quick note, the chicken that I use, again, chicken thighs, it's a pound of chicken thighs. I marinated them in the juice of 1 lemon, put them into a plastic bag, I squeezed the juice on them, tossed it around to make sure those all got coated. Let it sit for at least 20 minutes. If you can let it sit for an hour or more, the better. That lemon juice will just start to help tenderize the meat a little bit and give it a little bit of extra flavor. So like I said, marinated the chicken. Outside of this horrible camera work, I have a pan with some olive oil in it, or you can do canola oil or ghee, which will be another video for another day. But it's on medium heat. I'm just searing one side of the chicken, seasoning it with salt. And then after I get a good sear on that chicken, I'm going to put it in to the sauce, and I'm just going to let it finish cooking again until the chicken breaks down. And then once you're done, once that's the case, then you're ready to go. Sauce, it's all good. Paneer is simply fresh acid set cheese. It's milk, lemons. You bring the milk to temperature, you add your lemon juice, and you let it curdle, and then you separate it, and what's left over is your cheese. I got this from Costco. It's a very good product. It's something that I've used before and I really enjoy. You get about a 1 pound block, and I'm just simply going in and just breaking it down into cubes. That's a little easier to manage. If that's something that you would like me to show you how to make, we absolutely can. We can do cheese video, and we can do paneer and ricotta because they're pretty much the same exact thing. But once you've cut it and broken it down, we're going to fry it just really quickly. Some of it's to help it soften, but it's also to give it a little bit better texture. I have medium-high heat, a little bit of vegetable oil. I got it a little too hot, but you just want to fry your cheese in batches. Probably 30 seconds aside. Just a little bit of color is all you're looking for. And when I flip these, you'll see you can see why I said I have it too high. But you just want a little bit of color to soften it, but also again, it gives you that squeaky cheese curd consistency, which is something that I really enjoy. But that one's not bad, but as you can see, some of them will start to stick like that one. And that's how you know that's a little too high. You want a little less than medium-high heat. Just very quickly go in there, get some color, soften the cheese, move it around pretty quickly. It doesn't take a whole lot, but it's just something that you don't have to do. It's something that I enjoy doing. Again, it's just all about a consistency thing. But once that's done, you've got the sauce made, and you can plate it up, and you're ready to go.